Hey guys, hope everyone's doing all right. I decided to give you a couple of short videos just so you can stop and move along, go at your own pace. So we're going to talk about writing functions now. Of course, we're talking about quadratic functions. All right. So again, it's going to be a couple different parts here. The first part, we're going to look how to write it if you were given a vertex and a point. We're also going to look at it looking at just the graph to figure out what the equation is. Okay. So a vertex form, you guys know y equals, we're going to leave it as y equals, and I'll explain why. A parentheses x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is hk. A is a vertical shrink or stretch. If A is negative, you have a reflection over the x-axis. All right. And again, I probably should have paused that, but you guys can pause the video as we go along. I forget you have that option. All right. So here is your steps. Use your vertex form. They're going to tell you h and k. They're also going to tell you x and y. So now it literally is just a matter of plug in. All right, the only thing you don't have here is your a. Okay. And then once you find a, all you're going to do is go back into the equation and write the values for a, h, and k. All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Vertex to 5.12. There's my equation. Okay, so this is my h, this is my k, this is my x, this is my y. Again, we don't know what a is. X is 1 minus 2 plus 5. The only thing that can mess you up here is some order of operations, so just be careful. That's just 1. So a equals negative 3. All right, so once we know a, they said just to plug in. There's your y equals, my a is negative 3, my x minus 2 squared plus 5. That is my equation. Sorry. That should be a 3. Hopefully I said the 3. We figured out what that was. Sorry. All right, so again, when you're doing these things, you can make sure it makes sense. 2, 5 is somewhere up here, right? 1, 2 is somewhere down here. That means your graph is going to be opening down, so therefore A should have been negative. All right, just go back and remember all those little things that we've been talking about. All right, I'll give you a moment. Give yourself a try. Figure out what A is. Pause it here, and then we'll see. Negative 7, A, negative 1. Oops, I lied. 2 minus a negative 1 squared minus 8. Negative 7. That becomes a 3, which is squared. We get negative 7 equals 9a plus 8. A gives me 1/9. Okay. Thinking about to yourself, vertical shrink or stretch. Plus 1 minus 8. All right, there you go. Pretty simple, straightforward. So I'm going to hold you off here, and the next one will be coming up.